Welcome to my first video on the unit circle. So first let's remind ourselves what cosine, sine and tan mean. So start with sine. Sine of any angle, theta, is the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Which means cosine of any angle, theta, is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And then tangent, well, tangent is just combining these two to give us tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. There we go. Next step, since we know what all these are, is to understand what the unit circle means. So the unit circle is any circle where the radius is 1. And this gives us a starting point for a whole bunch of trigonometry which knowing all of this is not the most useful. So the radius is 1, so we can construct a triangle. 1, and then this will be A, this will be A, and this will be opposite. Oh my goodness. This will be A, and this will be the adjacent, and then this will be the opposite. Therefore, and this angle is theta. So using this, we can tell that sine of theta must be equal to, well, the opposite divided by the hypotenuse, which is 1. Therefore, for this circle, we get the opposite is equal to sine theta. And to understand why this is so useful, we need to think that if this was any other number, we would times it by sine theta. Therefore, we can use the unit circle to calculate the sine of any theta very, very easily. Another use of this is to figure out how high up off the ground, off the x-axis, each point is, if we know a theta, because this is just the opposite. So this is this. Therefore, we can say that at a place X, on the unit circle, the value of y, or y of x, is equal to sine theta. The same is true for cosine. So if I was to draw this, again, go one line, the x-axis. Then we go one line, the y-axis. There we go. Then we get that at any point, say this point here, with theta, this point here will be cosine theta, comma, sine theta. Now this is one of the most useful tools in our inventory of trigonometric functions. And expanding from this, we can see that since the radius is 1, using Pythagoras' theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, cosine is a, sine is b, and c is equal to the radius, which is itself equal to 1. Now putting this all into the equation, we get that cosine squared of theta plus sine squared of theta is equal to 1 squared, which is just 1. This is the second important function. And there you have it, the unit circle.